Hello and good morning everyone. So today we are watching Technical Mantra and we are going to tell you about how you can fix the problem which basically many of the MI users are facing with their phones after updating the phone with the MIUI 8. So this time it's Redmi 3S Prime and people are facing issues with it. So today's tutorial is how to fix up your black screen issue. So let's get started. Alright guys, so today morning when I woke up and I saw my phone, as usually whenever we wake up we check our phones, and I saw this, that the display was not coming up on my screen but the LED blinker was blinking in a blue color. So I just got worried about it and I was so tense, so I started ringing many people who are familiar with MI phones and other stuff. So in that I rang the MI support also, and basically the instructions that I got from them, they told me to put in the phone for a charge for uplong 3 to 4 hours, and otherwise just visit any of your local service centers. Alright, so all this happened like this. Okay, so as here you can see my phone is running correctly on the version of MIUI 8. So when I visit the service center, basically they checked my phone, and after checking it for a while, all they said that they cannot start my phone as my cell phone has dead, and they said that they would have to keep my phone for up long 25 to 30 days in order to change correct the phones. As they said, the problem is with the main phone, so I did not feel good at that moment. So basically I decided that I'll not give my phone to them for 20-25 days. So I came back home and I researched on MIUI forums and people who are familiar with MI phones. So basically after that I got to a point that I can get the solution right here at my home, but actually it is just a temporary solution. So let's get started. So basically what exactly you need to do in this in order to get this fixed. So as you can see, I'm holding my phone, so you need to look for your power button and the volume up button, and you would have to press both of the buttons at the same time for up long 5 to 10 seconds, and after that you will see suddenly the phone will vibrate for a bit and a screen will come up, and basically the screen will be in a foreign language which would be like this. I guess it is in Chinese or something. So basically, as we all know, it is not possible for us to read that language. So no problem here. What we are gonna do with it, we'll simply go ahead and look for download, which is highlighted in my video's picture. Actually, my screenshot, you can see that it has been highlighted. So all you need to do is to press that, and after that your phone will simply reboot. Alright, and once it reboots, the phone will be back to the normal screen, and then after you'll be able to enjoy your phone until the problem happens for the next time. So basically, as I've told you, it is just a temporary solution. For the permanent solution, all you can do, you can flash up your phone with the original version of MIUI 8. Alright. So guys, if you liked my video, hit like and